Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. I love you guys so much. Today I'm going to be unboxing a dress that I ordered from House of CB, one of my current favorite brands. I have to admit that trying on the dress is a little bit not as easy as my other dresses. Yeah, it's a bit difficult to put it on. I recommend getting help from somebody else to zip up the back. And as you zip it up, you can kind of tell that it will kind of cinch you in a little bit on the waist. So your waist will look really a bit thinner than it normally is. And then I found that the sleeves were a bit tight, so that was a little bit awkward and they kept falling off from my shoulder. So this is one of the main flaws with the dress. Even though it is a very high quality fabric, it's a very expensive dress, and you would expect that for this price everything to be perfect, because you're paying for something that is quality and well thought after. But yeah, this one had this particular flaw, so I'm letting you guys know just in case you like to order it too. But after you put it on and get through everything, it is really cute. I just am obsessed with lace recently, and I think it is super romantic, especially for Valentine's Day. And my favorite part is the sleeves, the bottom part, how it flows and how it's kind of matching the outward flow of the skirt. I think it is a really cute design. And yeah, I forgot to mention that the skirt has a lining underneath, and even though it looks like it's lace, you won't be able to actually see anything under. Yeah, I really like the ruffled part of the skirt. Super cute and feminine. And yeah, so overall I think it was about $380, but it's a very timeless design. And yeah, recently I rather get one amazing dress than have a couple normal ones, so that's why I decided to go with it. And this is very cute outfit for romantic dates and birthdays, etc. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day. Love you, and here's a rose for you. Love you so much, and hope to see you soon. Take care.